Alright, year 8s, now that we've done our primary colours, we're going to move on to our secondary colours, which are just on the edge of our triangle there. Now our secondary colours are our primary colours mixed together to create those secondary colours. So when you mix a yellow and red, you should get orange. When you mix red and blue, get purple. Yellow and blue, then make green. So what we're going to do is either mix those colours if you're confident to mix it, or I'd like you to go ahead and find them on the palette today. So I'm going to start off with my orange, just on the right side here, and I'm going to go ahead with my wet paintbrush, just twist it in, add a little bit of water, not too much, just to make sure that you can actually drag out a lot of that colour. I'm going to twist it, still twisting it to create that tip, and I'm going to hold it like a pen or a pencil. Now, as I'm working through it, if your work is dry, perfect, you can go ahead and paint it. If it's not dry, I advise you just to create a little bit of a gap. Because my work is slightly dry, I should be good. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill the edge in. Start off with the outline because it will really help you to have some accuracy in your work. And I'm just doing the same here. Now, I want you to move your sketchbooks around to really help you get your hands in a certain, your arms in a certain angle to help you paint this, okay? So don't be shy to move your sketchbooks. And I'm just going to add a little bit of water to that orange, and I'm going to fill it in, like so. And if you want to create more of an accurate line, just go in, back in, and make it accurate. It's best to go in a little bit in shorter strokes rather than one big stroke, just for more accuracy. Helps you to section it a bit better. Okay? So that's that one orange done, and I would like you to do the same and create your purple. Make sure you keep looking at your reference just to make sure that the colors are going in the right place. Now if you do need some help, just go ahead very, very lightly. You can label them as well. So that can be purple and that can be green. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and very quickly show you how to do the rest as well, and I'll be back. Right, so I've done this purple. I'm just going to demonstrate how to do the green as well. Just doing my outline. I'm holding my paintbrush like a pen for more accuracy. If it's too further away, it's really hard to keep it straight. It will start to shake a little bit, and you don't want that. With it closer together, you will have a little bit more of a steady hand. So I'm keeping a lot of a gap between my colors, my primary colors now with these two secondary colors, and that's okay because you can always go back and fill it in if you need to. I'm just going to spread that color around. Now I'm going to go in and just close some of that gap because my colors are now dry, so I should be good to just kind of add that green a little bit closer. If your paints are completely dry, go ahead and paint it right away. Okay, and now if you get this little blob on your page as well, wash your paintbrush, get a bit of your tissue and just tap it dry on that. And what you want to do is just go ahead and take off any extra paint if you don't want it. You can remove a lot of the color there. Now, I quite like my green, so I'm going to go back in, evenly spread some of that color around. Especially on the edge here. And you should be good to go.